Navigate the digital waters, understanding affiliate marketing. Discover the power of affiliate marketing and how it can propel your business towards unprecedented growth. Let's delve into the top trends shaping the world of affiliate marketing today. You'll learn how influencers, social media, and SEO strategies are defining the affiliate marketing landscape. Experience the game-changing potential of AI and data analytics in affiliate marketing. These technological advancements provide valuable insights and streamline the process like never before. Explore how mobile marketing is revolutionizing the way businesses connect with their audiences. Mobile offers a personalized, on-the-go marketing experience that's hard to beat. Observe the impact of diversification in affiliate marketing. Branching out across different platforms and regions can significantly increase your reach and revenue. So, are you ready to harness the power of these affiliate marketing trends? Dive in and make the wave work for you.